All right, good morning. It is March 31st, 2021. It is Wednesday and it is Vlog 61. Trucking along here. We're at the end of March. Today's the last day of March and getting into April Fools. But yeah, year's going by pretty quick. So, let me do a tuning after some coffee. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's always so good. Yeah. Very nice. I like it. But anyways, let's go over. Actually, let's look at the weather. Weather for today. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a nice day today. I got a lot of just editing. I think it's gonna be busy today. Bump. 79 with a high of 88. Oh my god. It's 79 right now. What the heck is going on? Woo woo! Spring is here and it looks, looks like we're gonna have a good weekend. Easter weekend. Looks like we're gonna have a good weekend. So cool. Amazing. Easter weekend. He has risen. Let's see. Yesterday I woke up at 9 o'clock. Did my vlog, and then I had an ukulele appointment at Dave's at like 1:30. So kind of before that, I was just getting some computer work done. Actually, I was trying to finish some edits for Dave's. I was rendering. And then I had an appointment at 1:30 with Jason, and it was kind of cool, actually. His mom had wanted to get him a birthday gift, and it was his birthday the other day, and he's been wanting to, he's 40 and wanted to start playing ukulele. It's kind of crazy, like the stories I hear of how people get into instruments. And for ukulele, it's always like, I wanted to play guitar, but the guitar was too big or just felt too bulky, and then people that's one of the stories, and then people are like, well, maybe I should try ukulele and get into that, and then get into guitar, and that's a good way to do it. Actually right now, since I've been playing ukulele, I if you could see right, I don't know if I could touch it, there, that's the guitar. And I play guitar now too. I can. My first thing is ukulele, but I mess around on guitar, and I've learned to do like the scales, and I can play a couple songs on the guitar, which is really cool. But it stemmed from the ukulele, so yeah, it's pretty awesome. But we were talking about that because he was telling me a story. He was Jason was trying to learn that, and then now he wants to get an ukulele. I guess he's going camping this weekend. So, and I found out he was in the Air Force, and we were just talking Air Force stuff, which was really cool. I love meeting people that were in the military because it's almost like we're brothers because we kind of went through the same thing, and we talk the same language, or we know what we're talking about, which is cool. So awesome, Jason. And he got his ukulele. He got a tenor, which was nice. And he's going to bring it with him camping this weekend with the family, and hopefully he can play some songs. It looked like he can jam a little bit, so we'll see. he had some guitar training, so I was showing him a little bit, and he wants to get some lessons too, so that'd be fun. Let's see. Then I came home, and then I had my Hadley lesson, and Hadley was awesome. It's my 12-year-old that I give virtual lessons to twice a month, and she's just a beginner, and it's amazing to see her progress. It's like super cool because, yeah, she's like she reminds me of myself when I was younger because she likes to skateboard. She wants to play ukulele, all this other stuff. She's like the girl version of me, so it's kind of cool. And we had some good talks last night, and got some good training. She sang for me for the first time, which was cool. Got to hear her voice, and yeah, I can't wait for future lessons because she's getting better like quickly. It's really cool. So yeah, I have high hopes for Hadley. Hadley, if you're listening, you're awesome. Keep on strumming ukulele every day. Keep on strumming ukulele. Then I worked on more edits. That's what I'm going to be doing today, is finishing up some edits, and for the DIY community, and I have a promo, so I want to finish those today. And that was like pretty much all night. I was just on the computer doing that. And then, yeah, actually yesterday I almost had like a crazy, like my I wonder if it's working right now. Okay. I have a hard drive that I don't know, it's finicky. I don't know if it's my computer or my hub or whatever, but I can't wait to upgrade all my stuff, so hopefully I won't have any issues. But everything's kind of getting old, so I don't know what's working and what's not. And yeah, I almost tripped out because I thought I lost another hard drive yesterday. I was like, oh no. And I started saving stuff automatically, and I was like, gosh dang it. But oh well. Never can have too much hard drive space, and always back up your stuff onto another drive. Don't keep anything on your computer drive, but always back that up. So it's rare that hard drives fail, but when they do, oh my god, it's always when you least expect it, and that's when you're screwed. I actually have a couple hard drives right now that are just old footage that I have to go check out, and I like try to get the footage off of it. And it's crazy, like I've been getting quotes for like thousands of dollars try to get that stuff out. I'm like, oh my god, and they're not even guaranteeing that they can get it. Hopefully one of these days I'll find like the master hard drive person, and they'll do it for me. I'll pay them, of course, but yeah, hard drives, important. Back up your info, make sure you have it all on something else. Where right now today, I think like information, especially all the videos and stuff, because that takes up a lot of space, man. Whew. Videos take up a lot of space, but especially as an editor, I can tell you, it's kind of crazy. And yesterday I did my 100-day song, which was Bad Moon Rising. That was kind of cool because I haven't done that in a while, and it's an easy song that I know, so it's cool. And we had salmon for dinner. Carrie made some salmon with mashed potatoes. That's a good combination, salmon and mashed potatoes. I think I've said that before, and it was a good dinner. Thank you, Carrie. That was awesome. But that was my recap of yesterday. Today's March 31st. Actually, I'm going to be editing. I think we're having family dinner today. Lily is coming over to make us spätzle, some German thing. I have my Ook social date. So after the Ook social, we're going to have dinner, or family dinner. And then, yeah, and I'm just working on edits today and stuff like that, following up. Yeah. Fairly decent week. Nice weather this week. Today is going to be hot, so we'll see how my computer does. Usually when it gets hot, it's like, yeah, this computer does not do well, so. But I will work through it. I don't have too much. I just have to edit promo, and I should be good with that. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. Oh yeah, let me check out birthdays. We'll look at birthdays today. Birthdays. Bum. TP Singh. It's his birthday today. Actually, this is just a Facebook friend from, I think he's in India. And he's been asking about ukuleles, and he wants to buy an ukulele for me. But when you do it overseas, like the shipping is just, it's gnarly, especially to India. So I don't know if it's worth it for him. Jay Molina, bass player extraordinaire. Nice. It was crazy. I was like, actually, we did NAMM, like, wow. The first time I went to NAMM, we filmed him and Jake Shimabukuro. Jason did the me and him filmed the video, and then I gave him that one so he can post on his site, and it has like over 1 million views. Jay Molina and Jake Shimabukuro. It's so crazy. I filmed a video that has over 1 million views. Pretty nuts. And Everardo, oh my god. Everardo de Leon Marquez. Oh my gosh. I still have him as friends. It's so nuts. And actually, it's weird. I was talking about this yesterday to somebody. Oh yeah, to Hadley. We were talking about like building houses or something, or people, but that was the person that I went to Ensenada and with a church group and helped build a house for a family, and that was him. Wow. Happy birthday, Everardo, Jay Molina, and TV Sin. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. It's not April Fool's yet, so. But good thing. And happy birthday to all those that have birthdays today. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. It's a beautiful day here in Long Beach, and that's all I have for me. And like always, ow, hit my head with the ukulele. Keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah.